Lesson 3. Illustrate the angles of elevation and depression. The girl is looking to the top. That is angle of elevation. The guy is looking down, and that is angle of depression. The angle of elevation and depression is always measured with horizontal lines. The eye is the observer, and this line is the horizontal line.
Di mo kaya, Hypo?
Angle of elevation is the angle formed at the observer's eye between the horizontal line and the line of sight when looking upward at an object.
The angle of elevation is the upward angle between an observer's horizontal line of sight and the line of sight to an object located above the horizontal line.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa abandoned school. Sabi daw nila may multo dito or something.
Oh, man, real daw yun. Kasi,
Angle of depression is the angle between the horizontal line from the observer's eyes and the line of sight going down to an object below, where the parts are the observer, horizontal line, line of sight, and the object.
This is angle of the present. The angle of the present is the downward angle between a horizontal line from an observer's eye level and their line of sight to an object located near objects.
a man looking down from the top of a skyscraper. That is an angle of depression. Students looking at the third floor of their school building. That is an angle of elevation. A coin fell down to the pool and the kid is trying to fight it looking from the diving block. That is an angle of depression. Kids looking up on the airplane in the sky. An angle of elevation.
A man observed the top of a tree at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. If the man is 10 meters away from the tree, find the height of the tree. Given, an angle is 30 degrees, adjacent is 10 meters, and we are solving for the height. Let's observe the given problem. 30 is our angle. We have 10 meters for the adjacent side, and we are looking for the height. Therefore, we must use the formula of tangent. Now let's put the given into the formula. We have tangent 30 degrees equals to height over 10.
We need to input 10. Just like that. Press tangent right there. And then put the 30 degrees. The answer will be in fraction form. Convert it into decimal. The answer will be 5.77.